Hey folks, got a little breakfast tip. While you're having your morning ramen and you're afraid it'll be a little too spicy, don't be afraid to add some condensed tomato soup to cool things off. Bon appetit! Hey folks, got a little lunch tip. If you're worried that your lunchtime ramen won't have enough protein, just crack an egg and dump it right into its simmering pot. Delicious. Hey folks, it's your pal Bobby here. Let me show you how I like to season my meat. Celery salt, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, parsley flake. It's looking good.
Hello folks, this is your pal Bobby with a ramen tip. When you're mixing in the delicious flavor packet, be very gentle. Put your skillet on a nice low heat and take your time. Really massage in the flavor. Don't do it too quickly. Let the heat do the work. Stir continuously but slowly. You won't regret taking the extra time to allow the flavor to permeate throughout the entire noodle base. Thanks for watching. Happy noodling.
Let me show you how I'm gonna cook up my meat. Garlic, chili, onion, celery, paprika, cumin, cheese. Dip a chip.
Well, you have eggs, cinnamon bread, and strawberries. What would you like to eat? Well, then go that way. Now you have nowhere to go. So that's the wall. Help you do what? What do you Tomato juice. Yeah. Can I like Winnie the Pooh? Like Tigger and Piglet and Rabbit and Owl? What are you doing?